There are a lot of make money online apps that you can use to make money with your phone, but today I'll show you the best ones that require little effort in order to get paid. You can install them for absolutely free on your smartphone device from anywhere in the world. Just make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video so you can set them up properly. Before I start with this tutorial, I want to remind that if you are new to this channel, just subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you won't miss any future video to come, since you'll get updated whenever I upload a new video like this one on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. If you love this type of content, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you want to ask me anything. With that said, let's now start with this tutorial so I can show you everything. I have multiple apps to give you today, so just make sure to not skip any step because you can get easily lost and confused. The very first one is called Make Money and Earn Gift Cards. It's over at Google Play Store, and also it's called S'more, as you can see here. So it got more than 59,000 of reviews and also 4.4 stars reviews. But let's get to know more about this platform. They are going to show you relevant content and ads on your lock screen. To dismiss the ad and access your phone, you can simply swipe up, and then to learn more you can even tap the ad. You're going to earn points every day regardless of the number of ads you see or click on. You can redeem your points for gift cards from retailers, then you can spend all of that cash however you want. They also offer you some bonus offers, as you can see, which includes free trials, app downloads and videos, and also you can complete those offers in order to earn points that you can redeem for money once again. They also refer a program so you can get paid by referring friends, family and even other people, so you can get additional points, and also you can get paid in passive income. So this is one of the easiest lock screen rewards program that gets you paid every single day. And to earn points, you do not need to learn more about every ad or try to see as many ads as you can. You just can continue to use your lock screen the way that you do normally. You won't earn more for viewing as many ads as you can. So even if you don't open up some ads, you're still going to earn points and get paid every single day. They are going to give you some gift cards available for Amazon, as you can see, Best Buy, Domino's Pizza, Starbucks and so on and so forth. So this app is only available for Google Play Store and for Android devices, unfortunately, but I also have apps that can pay you even if you use an iOS device, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to proceed with the next one, which is called MobileXpression, and it's over at their official website at MobileXpression.com. You're going to see that they reward people for helping them improve the internet. You can become part of their community or of their research community with more than 2 million of members in order to earn rewards. If you click on the join button, you're going to see that they said they are currently available for iPhones, iPads and Android phones, but unfortunately I haven't found it on App Store, so it means that it's only available for Android devices for now, and I don't know why. But also, if you found it on App Store, just let me know in the comments down below. Here at Google Play Store, you're going to see that they got like more than 51,000 of reviews with 4.2 stars. Let's see more about this platform and how you can make money with it. So first of all, once you join them by installing your app, you're going to earn credits right away, as you can see, that you can redeem for any popular gifts card. So you're going to see that they also offer PayPal, so you can get paid in PayPal money. You're going to get started by just creating an account and installing the app, and you'll be able to log in at any time to see your credits accumulate in your account. The data that you're going to share with them is going to help them create market reports and other forms of analysis that is going to allow them to understand internet trends and patterns, and for other market research purposes. They are transparent, so don't worry, because they're not going to get any of your personal data. They are just going to collect data about your mobile browsing, app use, video streaming behavior and call and message frequency. They want all of this in order for their research purposes, so you can even go over to their privacy policy and terms of service over at their official website in order to learn more about this and to see that this is a legit platform that is not going to read any of your personal information. So this is over at Google Google Play Store. You can install it for absolutely free. Let's proceed over at the third platform for today, which is called Mobile Performance Matter. It's very similar to the previous one actually, but it's my favorite because I have managed to make the most money with this one. Yeah, they got like more than 35,000 of reviews with 4.2 stars review. As you can see, it works pretty much the same with the just like the other one, but they also offer some surveys that you can complete related to yourself. You're going to see that you can get Matter points every day by just using your phone, and then you can cash out for gift cards from the great brands like Amazon, Visa, Google Play Store, Starbucks, and so on and so forth. So it's very easy. Thousands have earned hundreds of dollars in the last year, as you can see. So they are legit and they have paid out millions. They gather metrics on network performance, how people use their phone, and deliver insights to the largest market research companies, just like the previous one. So don't worry, because they do not sell your personal information. You'll not get spam from them, and there are no ads, which is pretty awesome actually, because sometimes it may be boring for you. So they have, with your help, companies are going to be able to understand better the mobile device trends, so you're helping them to shape the future of mobile, as you can see. As I said before, they do offer some surveys, so you can even earn points even faster and even more by completing some surveys and giving your opinion, so this can maximize your results. This was over at Google Play Store. Once again, Mobile Performance Matter. Let's proceed with the last level for today, which is also available for iOS devices. This is called getpanelapp.com. You're going to take surveys, earn points, and also redeem prizes for absolutely free. You can go over to App Store and you can see even more information about it. You can install and earn prizes, earn points and get rewards, share your opinion for cash prizes and take surveys, and you can redeem points for rewards. You can take some simple location-based surveys, as you can see, share your location, and there is no need to open the app daily in order to earn, which is pretty awesome. You can earn gift cards from your favorite brands, including Amazon, Starbucks, Target, and also you have a chance to win prizes like an Xbox or PS5, which is pretty amazing. You can also check out the reviews over at Google Play Store. They got more than 81,000 of reviews with 4.2 stars. So this was the fourth and also the last platform that I wanted to show you. You can combine all of these apps actually in order to maximize the results. With all of that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope that you liked it, and if you did, you can just give a thumbs up to this video, leave a comment down below, and also you can let me know which one of these apps is your favorite one. And if you haven't already and you are new to this channel, just subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World, and also hit the notification bell on so you can get notified when we upload brand new strategies. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.